Guys, so we arrived here at the hotel. I was not able to film at the airport, which is so tired. So we arrived at the hotel. We had a snack at the 24-hour snacky bar here at the hotel, and we are now inside the room. So I'm just gonna give you a room tour. So as soon as you get in, we have here the bathroom. Okay, so there's the key, there's the bathroom. So that's a big shower there. Look at that big shower. And as well as we got towels, we got hair dryer there, and we got the toiletries. So really, it's so cute. Look at that. Look at that. So cute. And also we got here the toilet, and there's no bidet. How could you? There's no bidet. Ooh, no bidet. Okay, that's fine. It's not at the end of the world, but yeah, that's me. And then in here, you've got the cabinet, the hangers there, and then the safe, and then the bath robe. And then there's the empty cabinet, yeah, and then empty cabinet. And on the right is another full-length mirror, which is really nice. And then we got here a fridge. This is what I really like. So look at my husband already opening a can of Pilsen. So we got here tea, coffee, and I like that they've got water ready for you to use the kettle. And then that, and also we got a fridge, and it's all free. And yeah, so we got drinks, water, and all of that, soda. Okay, that's really handy. We got slippers, and we got, look at a suitcase, and there is the bed with two. I like the art there at the top. I like that. Two side table. We got a telephone there. No, we got a sofa, and I think you can I'm not so sure if you can convert in. Oh, it's not that. No, there's a sofa and another art there, and then you've got the table, and then there's another table there as a vanity and a big mirror. Another mirror. It's good. We got a bin, a small one, and we got side lamp. And there's the balcony. It's a funny one, this one. So I'll show it to you again tomorrow, but yeah, here's a balcony, and there's the view. It's a very small one, but you can smoke here. So yeah, and then there's the view from the outside. Yeah, we are on the second floor. Yes, it's a view from the other hotel. Look. So we'll be back inside because the AC is connected to the door where it closes when you open it. The AC turn off on its own when you open the door. So yeah, so let's test the bed, how soft it is. It's not bad. It's not bad. Yeah, so that's it for tonight, and I'm gonna end the room tour here. Thank you for watching. That's it for test. Not bad. How soft for watching.